In Kemble, UK, on 19 January 2023, Zero Avia performed the maiden flight of its Dornier 228 aircraft. This aircraft is part of the High Flyer 2 project, a research and development program supported by the UK government, with the aim of developing a 600 kW power plant for 19-seater aircraft with zero-emission flights and a hydrogen cell-powered electric engine by modifying an old Dornier 228. The Dornier 228 is a twin-engine, turbine propeller aircraft with short takeoff and landing (STOL) capability. It was produced from 1981 to 1998. The commercial success of its previous light transport models allowed Dornier to make investments in research aimed at implementing technologies to increase wing efficiency. The development of the program, called Tragflügel Neue Technologie (TNT), allowed a new wing to be designed. In the 1970s, Dornier responded to the growing demand for small passenger aircraft by designing a high-tech, versatile turboprop aircraft suitable for various missions, including the transport of passengers and cargo, with STOL capability, also capable of operating on unpaved runways. The design included two variants, one for 15 passengers and an extended version for 19 passengers. This new profile was created to make the aircraft more efficient, reducing drag and increasing lift. It also made it possible to build smoother and lighter wings. The TNT wings improved the aircraft's performance, increasing lift by 25%. The combination of these TNT wings with STOL capabilities allowed it to generate large amounts of lift at low speeds and perform takeoff and landing maneuvers in short distances, even over rough terrain. Known for its versatility, low operating costs and high levels of reliability, the Dornier 228 was powered by two TPE 331-5 Garrett I research turboprop engines, each of which reached a takeoff power of 713 horsepower, giving it a cruising speed of 428 km per hour. Later, variants with more powerful engines were also produced. Over the years, Dornier offered the 228 in improved variants and with options to suit various special missions. In 1996, the transfer of all production activities to India was announced. In 1998, production on the German line was discontinued, partly to concentrate on the larger Fairchild Dornier 328 and in response to Dornier's financial difficulties. Of the two variants, the longer 19-passenger, 228-200 feet became the standard production model. The Dornier 228 was used by civil and military operators on all continents since its entry into service. Due to its good STOL characteristics, relatively easy maintenance and independence from ground support equipment, it is now mainly used in countries with underdeveloped or limited air traffic infrastructure. In German regional air traffic in the 1980s, the Dornier 228 played an important role as a feed aircraft, and Finland, the Netherlands and Great Britain also used it for environmental monitoring. The military variant was used in the roles of light transport aircraft, liaison aircraft, search and rescue missions, and as a maritime patrol aircraft. In 2002, the Swiss aerospace company RUAG took over the production rights of the Dornier 228, developing a version with updated technology and more powerful engines called 228NG. On 30 September 2020, General Atomics acquired the production rights to the aircraft from RUAG. The first example will roll off the assembly line in late 2024. In conclusion, The Dornier 228 was a versatile and reliable turboprop aircraft. Its robustness, STOL capability and continuous innovations made it a popular choice for many regional airlines, operators and government agencies worldwide. With the recent relaunch of production by General Atomics, the future of the 228 looks promising.